Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this is a 2-pack of succulents. So it's little succulent plants. So we're going to check these out and see what they look like here. So this is how it comes boxed. They are artificial, so I'm going to say I don't have to worry about dumping it out upside down. If I can get it out of the box. Wow. How is it in the box? Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is what they look like here. These are super awesome. Gosh, they look so real. I have some real ones over in the other room. I'm not going to say these look great. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. See if I can bring it up super close. You can see, you can't even tell it's not real. There's the 1 and 2 there. So these are super nice. What I like to do is put these on top of like the back of the toilet in the bathrooms for some reason. I don't know. For some reason I like succulents in the bathroom. Is that weird? But so that's where they're going to go. So super cool. And I like them. So pick up some of these in the box. Looks really nice. Kind of like a whitewashed wooden box. Really cool. So thumbs up for sure.